I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 16 of English, and the name of the chapter is articles a, an or the, right? So, are you all aware of the articles? Do you know what is the use of articles and what are articles, right? So, let's read the chapter quickly and identify what are articles and what are their uses. So, look at the pictures and read the sentences below. कि हमें इन सभी पिक्चर्स को देखना है और इसमें जितने भी sentences हैं उनको पढ़ना है. So, this is a house. An apple is a fruit. I saw an aeroplane. It is a tall tree. It is a tall tree. A bee is an insect. An ostrich is a bird. Right? So, we all read all these sentences and they are saying that the words in color are called articles. तो जितने भी words हमें यहाँ पर colors में दिए हुए हैं, all these are known as the articles. Right? So, now read the following sentences. अब हमें यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं, इन्हें भी read करना है. So, the sun shines in the sky. The Ganga is a holy river. The Arabian Sea is near Mumbai. The words in color are also called articles. कि इन sentences में भी जितने भी words colored form में है, वो सभी articles कहलाते हैं. My mother reads the Ramayana. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful building. We have a dog. We love the dog very much. A hunter lives in our village and the hunter has a gun. Right? So, as you all can see, here are also some colored words. Let's move ahead to know what are they. Okay, so here we have some points to remember. Let's read them. A, an and the are called articles. कि जो भी ये है a, an और the, ये सभी articles कहलाते हैं. Next is article an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. यानी कि an जो हमारा an जो article है, ये सभी vowels के साथ use किया जाता है. Right? Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Right? So, all these are the vowels. After that, next is article A is used before the words that begin with the consonant sounds. That means the article A is used with a word that begins with a consonant sounds. Right? After that, article the is used before a naming word about which we have talked earlier in the sentence. कि the जो है वो एक ऐसे naming word के पीछे use किया जाता है जो कि जिसके बारे में हम already पहले बार कर चुके हों sentence में. Right? Article the is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, etc. कि article the जो है वो use किया जाता है rivers के नाम के पीछे, seas के नाम के पीछे, oceans के नाम के पीछे and etc. etc. Article the is used before the names of famous buildings, example the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. कि article the जो है वो use किया जाता है नाम के पीछे जो कि फेमस बिल्डिंग्स हैं जैसे कि द ताज महल, द रेड फोर्ट एटसेट्रा. राइट? आर्टिकल द इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर ओनली one of their kind. Example, the sun, the moon, the star and the Ramayana. Right? तो जितने भी articles हैं वो एक proper kind के पीछे use किए जाते हैं. Right? Proper name के पीछे. Like, if the thing is only one of its kind in the whole world, if I talk about the moon. So, moon is only one for the whole world. Right? That is why we use the before the moon. Same goes with the sun, same goes with the earth, same goes with the Taj Mahal, same goes with the Red Fort, right? So all these buildings, all these planets, all these things are one of their kind in the whole world. That is why we use the before these kinds of nouns, right? So that was all about the chapter articles. I hope now you are clearly aware of where to use the articles and how to use them. So that was all about this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.